the country's economy dominated discussions at a PNP youth rally in St. Andrews Sunday night. Kelisha Williams has that story.
The Anthony Spalding Sports Complex in St. Andrew came alive Sunday evening as the People's National Party rallied the youth to address what they described as issues plaguing the country. This was party leader Mark Golding on education.
The education system is letting down our young people. The training system is also letting down our young people because the jobs that are being created in the country are not jobs that are paying our young people a living wage.
But it was the party's candidate for St. Catherine Northwestern, Damion Crawford, that had the crowd raging. Once again, he continues to criticize the recently announced rural school bus system.
Not only the bus them look like a them did carry the animals going on Noah Ark. Well, I mean, Desmond McKenzie attack. The bus them all older than Desmond McKenzie.
And he went further.
But there is some corruption in this bus thing because the same money could have bought 126 brand new coaster bus with 3-year warranty.
It must be noted that Transport Minister Darrell Vaz had indicated that the 110 refurbished buses purchased from the United States were the best option for the government to transport school children because they have been retrofitted with the necessary safety measures. However, it seems the PNP is not convinced.
When I do the maths, on average, each bus was 17,000 US. 110 buses will work out to 300 million Jamaican dollars. Where is the other 1.1 billion Jamaican dollars?
For her part, President of the PNPYO, Gabriella Morris, told the rally that she believes the young people will be swaying the general election in favor of the PNP. Among the reasons,
we have listened and we have heard the young people who are saying we can't afford those $40 million house what them are giving. Because remember good, the Prime Minister promised affordable housing for young people, and we look and we still can't find it.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.
And